Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through St Thomas. We are actually at the border. We're at 11 miles in Bull Bay, which is at the border between, or we are at the point of the border between St Andrew and St Thomas. So we basically, you should know by now that a super highway is being built that's going to go through the parishes of St Andrew, St Thomas, and Portland. It's called the Southern Coastal Highway. So where we started the video is 11 miles Bull Bay, where the highway will take a new alignment. So this section of the road that we're driving on now through, there is a sign that says St Thomas, so we'll just call it St Thomas. It's going to be bypassed by the highway. So persons won't have to drive on this road because the highway will be free and the highway is actually running to the right. So we're going to drive through this section of St. Thomas that's going to be affected by the highway because all the traffic will be on the highway. So this is still Bull Bay, but this part of Bull Bay now is in St. Thomas. So let's take us this tour through St. Thomas. So from 11 miles Bull Bay, right where the video started, to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, the Southern Coastal Highway is going to take a new alignment. It's not going to run along the existing roadway, it's going to go over the hill. And it's going to be 2.8 kilometers of new road going over the hill. So all of this, then from here where we are to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, it's not going to have the same level of traffic as it does now because the traffic will be on the highway. So this is parish of St. Thomas. That's a really bad spot for a truck to break down. Almost block the entire road.